Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to be keeping it simple and using Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint straight from the bottle. I often extend them with glue and Floetrol mix. If you check my playlists, you can check that out. But today, keeping it simple. I was looking on Facebook and I came across a photo of a pour I did long before I had a video. It sold right away, so I can't show it to you, but I don't think I've ever done a video on the technique I'm about to show you. So I'm going to be pouring over this one. This was also done with Artist Loft. A bit of silicone and Floetrol and glue, but I don't like it, so it's going away. What I'm going to do is a flip cup for starters. Spread that around, and then I'm going to fill a small cup with some more of the colors and add ribbons, and then tilt. So let's see how that works. I'm going to have using a variety of colors and a lot of white. So no rhyme or reason, just going to start loading up the cup. Oops, that's a brand new bottle. I thought they were all opened. I checked all but the white, I guess. All right, white. This wonderful deep magenta. Violet. Back to the white. Let's go with some red. What is this one? Crimson. Yellow. Orange. Back to the white. Perhaps I'll speed this up. There's no science to what I'm doing here. Okay, that looks like plenty of paint. This is a 12 by 16. Make it easy on myself and do this. And flip. Ooh, look at that. I'm going to run that through a little bit. I'm going to tilt it some, but I don't have as much white as I hoped in here. Too much color. Something weird is happening there. Oh, I really like the translucency right there. Can you see how pretty that is? Right there. I like that. All right, let's fill up the cup. This time I'll add a lot of white to this because I need the contrast. I need lighter colors here. So I'll do the white and the warm yellow, deep yellow rather, which is warm. Orange and violet. Will be fun. I like those two next to one another. So I had some blue just for fun. And now some more white. And then I will call it quits. Okay. So here we go. I'm just going to do some wide ribbons, tilt the rest of the canvas. And then I'll probably add some skinny ribbons. Oh, look at that orange. Oh, that's fabulous. Okay, I'm going to tilt that around. I don't know if this is going to dry well pouring over this. Previous as it was, as I said, the Artist Loft paints, but it did have Floetrol and glue in it, so it may do something bizarre to it. Time will tell. These dry pretty quickly. One more corner, and then we'll do some skinny ribbons. Yeah, it's pretty bizarre. Let's just dress it up with some, I'm not loving it at all, so I'm just gonna use all the rest of this paint and do skinny ribbons, kind of in a figure eight, I think. Maybe I'll even tilt some more, let's see. Oh, I like that, that's pretty. Okay, I gotta tilt some more to get those to reach the edges. And down here. Okay, it's not my best work, my friends, but I've done worse. Kind of like it in maybe this orientation. It's kind of electrifying. I don't know. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I'm going to leave it. I told you it was going to be easy peasy. I don't know if we like the results, but it wasn't tricky, that's for sure. Kind of breaking up a little bit here. I don't know if that's the white or if it has anything to do with what I poured over. It had dried long ago, so I don't think it's that yet. It may affect the ultimate drying, but I like those skinny lines. Now, the nice thing about the Artist Loft paint, straight from the bottle, is that it will pretty much stay like this. It's not going to move around. It begins to set up quickly, and those lines will hold their shape for the most part. I don't know, I think this could grow on me. There's the whole thing. Let me know what you think. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.